can never ever find the right words.
Buy me a rose, call me from work.
This is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Delia from Delia's Place. Now if this hair looks familiar, or if this blouse looks familiar, if this whole entire thing looks like deja vu, you are not dreaming, and no, this is not a different day. This is the same day. Ryan and I just decided to film a boyfriend-girlfriend tag. So I'm filming it on the same day that I filmed how I slay my wigs video to make them look natural. So if you'd like to know how to make your wigs look natural, go ahead and go into the description bar. The link to this video is down there. So guys, this is my boyfriend. For those who don't already know him, this is Ryan. This is the love of my life, future husband, future everything. This is the man that keeps this beautiful smile on my face. Babes,
Yeah.
pay attention. Okay, you're supposed to be looking in here.
Oh, down there.
Down here,
okay.
yes. Don't look in the
That's
viewfinder.
what's up. Okay.
Okay, first question.
What are we doing?
Boyfriend, girlfriend,
You tell the people what we are doing?
yeah, they know what we are doing.
You never tell them.
I told them already, they know what we're doing. You don't know what we're doing.
Yeah.
We're doing a boyfriend girlfriend tag Ryan. Okay? So first question is, when did we meet? Or where did we meet rather? Where did we meet?
At our workplace.
Okay. Alright. Yes, that's true.
Can't give too much details.
No, we can't tell you where I work.
Keep looking on top.
Look down there.
Look down here.
Alright, so my first words to him, I was the one who approached him first, guys. Yeah, but me never they look man. Me never they look man. It was raining. Yes, it was a rainy evening, and I was passing him, and I noticed that his shirt was kind of tight, and I just flicked my finger under the edge of his shirt and I said, "Oh, your shirt's a tight, master."
Yeah, because she was flirting, yeah?
No, I wasn't. The shirt
She
is just
was
tight.
flirting.
And anybody who knows Ryan knows that even if he buy a shirt that fits him, that is his size, that fits him, he's going to take it into the tailor for it to go a size
No, correction
smaller.
please. I did not take in the shirt. It was all muscle, okay? It was all muscle. I did
It
not
never
take in
have
the
no
shirt.
muscle anyway. That's a
muscle.
different thing. You never have the muscle when we meet you.
Muscles,
No,
all them
I
gains.
you didn't have no gains. Alright. Who first said I love you?
That's you.
You don't have to remember that. No.
Yes. You were the one.
What is the first thing? Okay, this is for me and you. What is the first thing you wish that I didn't do? What is it that you wish that I wouldn't do?
What's the first thing I would?
What you wish I wouldn't do? What
I wouldn't do? You wouldn't do?
Yeah.
I wouldn't do so much of
Yeah.
being so miserable.
I'm not miserable. No, I just talk for my rights.
You're right.
Miserable, we talk for my rights. I wish you wouldn't leave your clothes lying around on the floor.
Here
Yes,
we go.
yes,
Here we go.
people.
That is not
yes.
true.
Yes, Ryan comes from work and he takes off his clothes and he leaves them. Case in point, this is his Marina on the floor. Yes.
Hey.
What else?
Hey, don't act like it's me alone, eh? I see you, man. Don't act like it's me alone. You do it too. Yes, you. Give me Marina.
Okay. What color eyes do I have?
Deep brown.
You too? You have dark brown
I have
eyes
deep brown?
too. Yeah, you have deep dark brown eyes.
It's dark brown or deep brown?
Dark brown.
Okay.
Dark brown. What food do you like to eat? What food do we like to eat? So you answer first and then me.
I love chicken.
No, you're supposed to tell what I like to eat.
Oh, I should tell you what you like?
Yes, yes.
I can saltfish.
Ooh,
And
yes.
roast breadfruit.
And you love fried chicken, right?
No.
You not like fried chicken?
It's chicken but not fried.
Baked chicken?
Bake.
But you say you like my fried chicken.
Well, yeah, you're fried chicken.
Okay, so what's your favorite food then, honey?
Fried chicken.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Okay. What drinks do I like?
When you again, man? You remember my name? The same drinks, the same drinks.
I don't remember, no?
Sure.
And let me tell you what you like then.
Okay.
You like red wine.
I love me some red
The
wine.
one that is sweetish.
It's
I know.
sweet.
Yeah.
One, not the, what you call it? I love the smooth, sweet one.
Yeah. Alright, babes. It's no red wine for you today.
Hey, remember the night we drink up 2 bottles?
Yeah. Mm.
We were at Eden Museum. Yeah.
What is my shoe size, Ryan?
That would be an 8.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
And your shoe size is 12 and a half. 13?
It's 12, babes.
It's 12, okay. See, I got it right.
It's 12.
Okay, honey. What are my weird customs?
Huh?
What are my weird customs?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Your weird customs?
There's something weird that I find and I do.
Oh, you just do too much weird things. Some don't know which one to choose.
But you're a weird custom though.
You-
Oh God,
Really?
people, oh God. I'm going
Really?
to bust your
Really?
secret. I'm going to
Really?
bust your secret. Guys, here's the scoop on Ryan. See, every morning when Ryan gets up, he will have to just go sit down for the toilet seat for at least 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay. What food would I eat every day?
You love KFC. Apart from the ackee and saltfish, you love KFC chicken.
I would eat it every day, but I know I can't because
Yeah.
it's fattening, right?
Yeah, and you know we are gym people, so even though we eat those fast food and stuff,
Yeah.
yeah. We do it
We
in
actually
moderation.
have a video though. We actually have a video of us on our way to the gym and we stopped at KFC.
Yeah.
It would be linked in the description box, so if you'd like to watch it, you can go and click on it.
Yeah, man. Well, check it out.
Okay, what am I good at?
Hmm?
What am I good at?
Let me whisper and tell you guys.
He's good at working out in the gym. Okay, what am I not bad at? Like,
Huh?
like,
You're not bad at?
yeah, like, I can go on, like,
It could not be singing, because you can't sing none at all.
I can sing.
No, babes.
Yes, I can.
No, babes.
Yes, I can.
Mm.
Let me bet it out for you
You
guys.
see, because I love you,
Yes.
I'm going to tell you so you can't sing. Okay?
You go see
I'm
the
not gonna-
Rising
No,
Star
I'm not
next
going to be like one of them people who go up on Rising Stars. Enough said.
Okay, whatever, babes. What kind of music do I like most?
Vibes Cartel.
You could have just said dancehall, you have to say vibes because you have to be so specific.
Very specific, man.
Alright, you like the old country and western.
What they call it? The dumper truck? Back it up on the...
And you like the old country and western. You the old man want them, yeah, the old people want them with just whining all the time and unhappy all the time.
No.
My girlfriend left me, my dog died kind of thing.
Oh, nothing
yeah.
like that. I'm just not the normal kind of man.
The old.
Yeah? I like classical things. You know? Things that are not in the norm.
Okay. Babes,
Yes,
who
ma'am.
is my best friend?
He's standing right here.
You're sure?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, he's my best friend. Who is your best friend?
Of course you are.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where does my family come from?
Our country base.
When you don't have to be specific, like, you know, just.
Oh, but I don't have to be specific.
Yeah, the parish.
Oh, come never know if you want to tell the people them exactly where you're from.
I know exactly that is. I don't like to.
But you just want to know the parish.
The parish, yeah.
It is in. It come up through Deso and then it goes.
That's the parish.
That's the parish.
You come from the same parish to be. You don't know where you come from?
No, it's smaller.
Alright. You got to know one. What do I do in my free time? Hello, pay attention now.
Yeah.
Can't bother with you, you know.
Just checking the games up. Right?
What I do in my free time?
You do on a free time? You make YouTube videos.
I don't watch YouTube videos.
I don't watch YouTube videos.
Yeah, for real.
No, seriously, you know, big man thing, you know. Come to think of it. I don't really see she do anything else when I have free time. Watch YouTube videos, make YouTube videos.
And edit them.
And edit them.
Yeah. What him do on in free time, you just see me do it flex. You let me tell you one story. One story time, Ray. Stop now! Story time. We come from the gym, right, people? We came from the gym. And I was showing my babes, look at my legs. Oh my god, I'm making legs again. And this was him in the mirror. So, you know, gay. Somebody said me, I said gay, you know what?
Checking out the games, no?
How long have we been together?
That will be 2 years and 3/4.
Look at over 3/4. Oh wait, yeah, more than 3/4.
No, 2 years and about 3/4 would put it like what, 8 months?
Yeah, about that.
9 months?
Something like that. How often do I make you angry?
Yeah.
Well? Well?
Every day. I know I mean much.
What movie? You know what movie I like? I don't think you know. The most.
Well, I know you love to watch Lifetime.
Yeah, but there's a movie that if it come on TV like a million times a day, I will watch it. Let me tell you. Okay, you don't know that one. Pretty Woman.
Huh?
Pretty Woman. You don't know them?
Pretty Woman.
Walking down the street.
It's something that you can't sing, right? You be singing to me.
You want to sing something for them? Come on now, babes. Just one line. One line.
Nope.
Come on now,
Nope.
babes. Please. One line.
Alright, since you say me like old songs and country songs,
Yeah.
let me see if I can find one country song. Let me see now. Kenny Rogers. Where you go again? Same one, the man.
I don't know.
Country road, take me home to a place I belong, West Virginia. Okay.
Woo! Anyway.
Right. You want another one? Buy me a rose, call me from work, open the door to a heart that I hurt. Show me you love me, I'll look in your eyes. These are the little things I needed most in my life.
Oh. Oh god. Alright guys.
You finished?
So yeah, we finished.
No more questions
We don't
for the
have any
people?
more questions. Sorry guys. But we'll definitely
Maybe we will have a part 2
Maybe we could have a part 2. That's
Yeah.
a good idea.
with some more questions on the edge.
Uh-huh.
Some edgy questions.
Yeah, I do. Anyway. Alright guys. So thank you so much for watching. And I was so happy to officially introduce you to my boo.
Yeah.
And you will see lots more of him in my videos. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel. If you're already a subby, Thank you for the love. Please like this video to keep us going, because then we'll know that you love our videos. Share with your friends, family and neighbors. Until next time. Bye.
Peace out.
I said bye.
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 Bye bye.